Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever opened your bank app at the end of the month and just stared at the balance thinking, wait, where did all my money go? You've worked 40, maybe 50 hours a week. You paid the rent, you covered the bills, you even tried to cut back on eating out. And still, when you look at your savings account, it feels like you've got almost nothing to show for all that hard work. You're not alone. Millions of Americans feel the exact same way every single month. And it's not because you're lazy or bad with money. The truth is, our system is designed to make us spend without even realizing it. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. In this video, I'm going to share 7 insanely simple money hacks that every American should know. You don't need to give up your favorite Starbucks coffee or stop enjoying life. These are smart, practical, and realistic strategies that can save you literally thousands of dollars every single year without feeling like you're suffering. And listen, make sure you stick around until hack number 5, because I guarantee you, 90% of Americans are ignoring it right now. And it's honestly like leaving free money on the table. If you apply it, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Hack 1. Automate your savings. Here's the truth. Saving money is hard because we rely on willpower. But willpower runs out. If you leave saving up to yourself, you'll always find something more urgent to spend on. That's why automation is powerful. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account the moment your paycheck hits. Think of it like a bill you pay to yourself. If you automatically move just $150 every 2 weeks, by the end of the year you'll have nearly $4,000 saved without ever having to think about it. It's invisible savings. You won't miss the money because you never see it in your account. And down the road, that stash can cover emergencies, a vacation, or even the down payment on a car or house. Hack 2. The subscription audit. Here's the deal. Subscriptions are sneaky. $7.99 here, $12.99 there, and before you know it, you're spending hundreds every month. Americans are subscribed to an average of 5 streaming services right now, plus gym memberships, music apps, cloud storage. The list never ends. Once a month, sit down and go line by line through your bank statement. Highlight every recurring charge. Then ask yourself, do I use this enough to justify it? If the answer is no, cancel it. You'd be surprised. Most people save $50 to $100 per month just by trimming subscriptions. That's over $1,000 a year. And the best part? You don't feel the sacrifice because you're cutting what you don't even use. Hack 3. Cook smart, not broke. Food is one of the biggest money drains in America. The average household spends nearly $3,500 a year on dining out. And honestly, most of that isn't fancy meals. It's quick takeout, coffee runs, and late-night DoorDash orders. But here's the trick. Cooking at home doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. Try meal prepping. Spend Sunday cooking a few big dishes like grilled chicken, pasta, or chili that you can portion out for the week. This way, when you're tired on Wednesday night, you already have a meal ready in the fridge. Even replacing just 2 restaurant meals a week saves around $200 per month. Over a year, that's $2,400, enough to fund a vacation or pay off credit card debt faster. Hack 4. Cashback is free money. Let's be real, you're already shopping online. Groceries, clothes, electronics, it's part of life now. But if you're not using cashback apps or websites, you're literally throwing away free money. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Ibotta partner with retailers and give you a small percentage back, usually 1–10%, on things you were already going to buy. Let's say you buy a $1,000 laptop through a cashback link at 5%. That's $50 back in your pocket, instantly. Over a year, those little kickbacks can easily add up to hundreds of dollars. Hack 5. Open a high-yield savings account. Most Americans keep their money sitting in a regular savings account at big banks like Wells Fargo, Chase, or Bank of America. Guess what? Those banks usually pay you 0.01% to 0.05% interest, basically nothing. But a high-yield savings account can change the game. These accounts, usually offered by online banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Discover Bank, or SoFi, give you interest rates around 4% to 5% APY as of now in 2025. For example, if you have $10,000 sitting in a traditional savings account, you'll earn maybe $1 or $5 per year. But in a high-yielding saving account at 4.5%, that same money earns you around $450 a year, completely passive income. Key benefits: no fees, no minimums. Most online high-yielding saving accounts are free, FDIC insured, so your money is safe up to $250,000. One pro tip for my family: easy transfers to your regular checking account when you need it. Don't leave your money sleeping in old banks. Move it to a high-yielding saving accounts and let your money work for you while you sleep. Hack 6: Buy in bulk. Americans love convenience, but buying everything in small packs from Target or local grocery stores kills your budget. That's where buying in bulk saves you a ton. Membership stores like Costco, Sam's Club, and BJ's Wholesale let you buy larger quantities at a much lower price per unit. For example, a 6-pack of pasta at Walmart equals around $8.40, $1.40 each. The same pasta in a 12-pack at Costco equals around $12, $1 each. Over time, these small savings add up to hundreds or even thousands per year. And it's not just groceries. You can save on household items, toilet paper, paper towels, laundry detergent, snacks, drinks, and school supplies, even electronics, furniture, and tires. Pro tips for my family. If you live alone or have a small family, split bulk items with a friend or neighbor. That way, you both save money without worrying about food waste. Hack 7: Beat impulse spending. Impulse spending is one of the biggest money leaks in America. And guess what? Online shopping makes it even worse. Amazon, Target, or Walmart are just one click away. But here's the trick. Follow the 24-hour rule. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something, especially online, add it to your cart, but don't hit purchase yet. Wait 24 hours. If the next day you still truly need it, go ahead and buy it. But listen carefully, 8 out of 10 times you'll realize it was just a temporary desire. For example, imagine you see a $70 pair of sneakers on Amazon. You're tempted to buy right away. But after 24 hours, you realize you already own 3 pairs and don't really need another one. Boom, you just saved $70. Here are more quick tips to fight impulse spending. First, unsubscribe from store marketing emails. They're literally designed to tempt you. Second, delete saved credit card information from shopping apps. If checkout takes more effort, you'll think twice. Third, set up a separate fun money budget. Once that's gone, no more impulse buys for the month. Here's a pro tip that will change the way you see money. Think in terms of time, not dollars. If you make $20 an hour, that $70 impulse purchase actually costs you 3.5 hours of your life. So ask yourself, is it really worth it?